Rajan, in your opinion, what do you think that Sri Lanka should do to improve access to new markets and job categories?
I think the Sri Lankan government mindset should change. They were thinking that their market is only with Gulf. I think they have to move from the oil-rich economies to the aging economies, where with small modification of skills, Sri Lanka can reap a larger benefits, and Sri Lanka brand of sending women workers can bring more remittances, more development, and more issues for the Sri Lankan economy.
Also, in your opinion, how can Sri Lanka use the diaspora to improve access to new labor markets and job categories?
I think Sri Lanka has diaspora in many countries. I know in Canada they have a larger diaspora, and UK they have a larger diaspora. I think it is time for the Sri Lanka to organize a diaspora meet like what we do in India called Pravasi Bharati Divas. They should organize every year, bring diasporas, discuss with them so that diaspora can be part of the new development mantra of the Sri Lankan economy, so that diaspora, migrants and the local people can take the Sri Lankan economy to the next level of development. I think this what is missing in Sri Lankan migration research is there is not a good database. I think it is time IPS with IDRC should launch a Sri Lankan migration survey, the model which we do in Kerala for last 15 years, so that they can document the impact on migration, on individuals, economy and society in Kerala, with how to integrate the returned migrants.
Thank you very much.